Welcome to Qcrete Readymix India Pvt Limited at Qcrete Readymix India Pvt Limited. Innovation meets execution. Presenting one of our specialized applications, Shotcrete Concrete, where precision, speed, and strength converge. Shotcrete is not just concrete, it's a technique, a method where concrete is sprayed at high velocity onto a surface, ensuring superior bonding, even in the most complex geometries. Using state-of-the-art equipment and a trained workforce, we apply a custom-designed mix, reinforced with fibers that adhere seamlessly to vertical and overhead surfaces. Our Shotcrete solution is ideal for tunnels, retaining walls, water tanks, slope stabilization, and complex structures that demand both structural integrity and surface finish. Every project is powered by our high-performance concrete mix, backed by real-time quality checks and safety standards that define the Qcrete brand. The result? A monolithic, crack-resistant layer that reduces formwork, minimizes rebound loss, and accelerates project timelines. Qcrete Readymix, building India stronger, faster, and smarter, one innovation at a time. Shotcrete, precision delivered. To know more about our Shotcrete solutions or to discuss your next project, please contact us on the details shown on your screen. Qcrete Readymix India Pvt Limited, delivering strength with precision.